Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play World of Warcraft on your phone. The key is using cloud gaming services, which stream the game directly to your mobile device. This method bypasses the need for a powerful phone, as the game runs on remote servers. You will need a stable internet connection, ideally 5 megabits per second or more, to ensure a smooth and enjoyable experience without lag. Selecting the right cloud gaming service is your next step. Research platforms that explicitly support World of Warcraft or offer a broad PC game library. Consider factors like subscription costs, which can range from $10 to $25 per month, and server locations to minimize latency. A service with servers close to you will provide a much more responsive and enjoyable gaming session. Once you have chosen a service, download its dedicated application to your phone. For controls, consider connecting a Bluetooth controller or a mobile-compatible keyboard and mouse for a more traditional PC feel. Many players find a controller offers a good balance of portability and functionality. Remember to optimize your phone settings, like turning off notifications, to prevent interruptions during your gameplay. With everything set up, log into your cloud gaming account and launch World of Warcraft. You might need to adjust some in-game settings, such as user interface scaling, to make elements more visible on your phone screen. Experiment with your chosen control method, whether it is a controller or keyboard and mouse, to find what feels most comfortable and efficient for your gameplay style. Enjoy your adventures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.